Look, there is nothing will save you. No pre-purchase inspection, nothing. If your search is silly or stupid, right? Nothing will save you. You know, if you want to be on a good car, the older the car gets, the harder you will get to that standard. But however, if you're looking for 5-year-old car, make sure it has a full main dealer service history, right? You will limit ex-business cars, um, short-term, long-term leases, right? Because most of these vehicles, like ex-police, wherever, they will all have random, like BT fleet servicing, random fleet service stations servicing, right? Something cheap. You want a main dealer service history. At least you know you're getting a right car. It doesn't mean that car is good, right? Condition wise, but at least you go in the right direction. Make sure it has two keys, right? I emphasize, and that is priority. Before you even go to check, make sure the last service is done, timing belt is replaced, if, especially if the car gets in the 5-year-old mark, right? Before you even go to the seller, ask him, be just smart, save your time. Ask him to send underside pictures, right? Validate the service history. If they say they are full main dealer service history, ask him to send you an evidence. Check everything before you waste your time. There are people, uh, those online supermarkets, they lie, right? They're saying the car has a full main dealer service history, but it's not. There's a random fleet based servicing, right? So if you're not going to get your search right, you will just stumble. You will pay us a lot of money for the inspection. Everything starts with the smart search, knowing how, right? And that is paramount. Once you will get to 10-year-old car, it will be much even harder to get to that sort of standard. But at least in some scenarios, at least there is a full history, traceable, right? From appropriate service stations where you know the full main dealer service schedules are followed, not quick fit, not Halfords, but you know where, and as an example, right? Where you know these places like specialist only, you know there's every year specific servicing schedule, manufacturers guidelines are followed. The cars are getting modern. You have like small batteries for SOS systems. They got hybrids, mild hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and they got some random stupid stuff on it which are replaced by the manufacturer. If you don't follow it, they're not getting replaced. Like on a Range Rover's luxury cars, you got diff oils, um, transfer box oils. This is paramount. Air compressor systems, air suspensions, hydraulic suspensions. There's a specific systems, filters you need to replace, etc. Box standard garages will never do that. You will have a not serviced proper. You will buy not serviced vehicle properly, not properly maintained. Then you're wondering why it falls apart. Everything starts when you are educated. And then get it inspected. Hope it helps.